Good morning, everyone. This is KLX News Radio. We have interrupted regular programming due to a recent report in our listening area. There have been recent reports of gunshots near the area of Twin Falls. These people were not identified as this time, but police are investigating this current situation. This has happened near a concert, and police are currently investigating the situation. Additional information will be
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all LF Idaho beginning at 10:50 p.m. and ending at 8:40 p.m. The Idaho Office of Emergency Management Agency has activated the Amber Alert for a child abduction. Police are looking for a child named Aubrey. Aubrey is a 13-year-old girl, weighs 170 pounds, black hair, dark brown eyes, wearing a pink jacket with My Little Pony on it, wearing black shorts. She was last seen with her mother on the concert in Twin Falls, Idaho, and is believed to be in great danger. The abducted child was taken by a suspect named Rumi Oak. Rumi Oak is a female, weighs 179 pounds, over 5'10" tall, dark brown eyes, purple hair, yellow jacket, and brown boots. This suspect was last seen near a concert while a performance is current. Anyone with information are asked to call 911. Do not take action which can endanger yourself and the child's safety. If you have more information, call 911 or the Idaho State Police Department at 208-239-9800.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Idaho Office of Emergency Management Agency to individuals spotted breaking in houses and murdering any residents. We ask that you should shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, close and lock all doors, and remain away any openings to the outside. Please stay tuned to media outlets for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Idaho Office of Emergency Management Agency. This is a statewide emergency for all of Idaho. At 3:29 p.m. Mountain Daylight, reports have came in about explosions near the Twin Falls area in either major cities across Idaho. These explosions we are confirmed to be 3 females that have been roaming around the city of Twin Falls, killing residents for fun. These people are identified as Zoe, Rumi, and Mira. Police have said they were originated from a K-pop band named Huntrix. All residents in the state of Idaho are asked to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, close all windows and doors, and remain away any openings to the outside. Grab essentials, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio for your staff and shelter. Do not leave your shelter unless you are given an all clear to the proper authorities. Remember, if you spot one of the Huntrix band members, get away as fast. evacuation for Idaho and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Idaho Office of Emergency Management Agency. Evacuate now. Leave this area to avoid injury or death. As of 5:49 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, several explosions have occurred in every major cities across Idaho. All residents within Idaho and surrounding areas are advised to evacuate immediately. Grab essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio for your evacuation. You will also need items such as ID and money. Shelter in place is no longer an option. Your only option is to evacuate now. Do not wait. Evacuate now. Leave the area now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Idaho Office of Emergency Management Agency. Evacuate immediately. As of 5:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a power plant with chemicals active has believed to have been exploded and destroyed and will cause a meltdown, with the chemicals exploding, causing massive devastation across Idaho and surrounding areas. These were caused by Huntrix, who was previously mentioned by the hijacked EAS alert a few hours ago. All residents within Idaho and surrounding areas are asked to evacuate now. Do not wait. Evacuate now. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an all-clear message. You can return to your area now. Also, the suspects Huntrix have been contained and been sent to jail. We also like to thank the young American guns and the Akatsuki killer specialists. Normal programming may now resume.